Hello, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Hammad and today our lecture topic is the spinal cord. In this lecture, we will have 5 sections. In the first section, we will go through our spinal cord anatomy, in which we will be going through the general consideration of spinal cord, how many vertebrae are there, what are cervical, how many cervical vertebrae are there, how many thoracic, lumbar, sacrococcygeal vertebrae are present. Then we will be going through in the details of these vertebrae, their structures, what are the laminae, what are pedicles, what are transverse and spinous processes of vertebra, and then we will be going through the anatomy of spinal cord, that how the cord is actually present inside these vertebral column. Then in the second section, we will be going through the spinal nerves, what are the roots of the spinal nerves, what are the sensory fibers, what is the ganglion, and how these are actually arranged in human body and to function properly in the way they do. Then in the third section, we'll be going through the classification of nerve fibers. We'll be discussing what are the different types of nerve fibers. For example, what are type A, B, and C fibers, what are myelinated one, and whichever one are the non-myelinated ones. Then we'll be discussing going through the myelination in peripheral nervous system, how it is done by Schwann cells, what the process of myelination occurs, and what are the nodes of Ranvier, and we'll be going to briefly touching solitary nerve conduction. Coming to the fourth topic, it will be over the somatic reflexes. We'll be going through what is a neuromuscular spindle, what is the structure of a neuromuscular spindle, what is a neurotendon spindle, and how actually it helps to actually relay the information in real time and point-to-point information of muscle tension, which is when a muscle is actually contracting, and what at the end is a typical reflex arc. In the last section of this lecture, we'll be going through some of the clinical correlates, that is what if and what happens if the nerve gets cut. For example, we will be going through the neuropraxia, exometasis, neurotomosis, and what are the chances of recovery from these injuries. Do watch other sections to learn more about spinal cord. Thank you.